Okay. Shelby was stupid enough to let me use scissors, so I screwed up her hair, which is not good. So my older sister Melanie is trying to fix it. Shelby's kind of mad at me, so I'm gonna try and avoid her. Okay, let's avoid. Okay.
This is good. This is good.
I haven't even cut yet.
Oh God.
This is my sister. She knows all about hair products.
Are you trying to get a lot of her hair? Because I can help you with that.
I'm just combing it, honey.
Are you sure?
Shelby, you know I'm really sorry, right?
Shut up, honey.
Yeah. No, just kidding. Well, yes, I know that, but...
After this, we won't be friends.
Already. I'm going to hold this much too. You know that, right?
Yes, I know.
Oh my God, I don't know what to do.
Shh, child.
Shut up, Abby. You have no room to talk.
Well,
And you won't have room to talk.
For a while.
Shelby's not gonna let me sleep for this.
Nope, you're sleeping in the pillow tonight.
Not again. That's fun. Zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out, zoom in. Ooh. Melanie! No, just kidding.
Stop.
I'm sorry.
This is not funny anymore.
Oh my. Now what the heck were you doing giving me scissors anyways?
I have no idea. It's probably one of the dumbest things I've ever done.
Probably.
That's why my mother should keep them far away from me.
How'd you get her in the first place?
Because we were making mustaches. Which I don't need to explain. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well.
What?
I
Did you
said
say-
okay.
Oh, I thought you said uh-oh.
I think Melanie knows what she's doing.
I'd hope so.
Look at her cool poster. Audrey Hepburn. Oh, sorry. Forgot about the hair.
Oh God, that feels really close to my head.
Don't
I
worry.
definitely see them.
You're far from done.
It's like your head. Abigail, what the fuck?
Yeah, I know. It's right in the middle of my head.
Yes'm?
I need to leave you alone for a minute.
Okay. Uh-oh.